This is part 2 of the lecture on environment. So we're talking about resource depletion here. I'm waiting for it to show up on the screen. So everything has to take forever. All right, so what is resource depletion? So resource depletion is using a natural resource faster than it can be replenished. Using a natural resource faster than it can be replenished. So you're using up more trees than you can plant them, or you're using more oil than it takes time for eons and eons for it to be made. Okay, so that is resource depletion. All right. What is the difference between physical and economic scarcity? Well, physical scarcity is it's just not there. So if there's a physical scarcity, there's not a lot of that thing, there. So there is a physical scarcity of clean water in some spots because of pollution. There's a physical scarcity of rainforest in the Amazon because we keep on chopping down all the trees. And economic scarcity would be when you can't afford it. So you can't afford clean water, or you can't afford access to something. Okay, so physical scarcity, that thing is not there. Economic scarcity, you can't afford it. You don't have the money to afford it. Okay. What are some examples of resource depletion? Well, deforestation. So, okay. Other examples of resource depletion are oil shortages, clean water shortages. Okay, so these are all some examples of resource depletion. Which natural resource do historians and scientists agree will be the most depleted? It's not oil, it's clean water. Okay, because of poverty, because of climate change, okay, where we're having higher periods of drought in some areas, because of pollution, it's access to clean, fresh water. So what natural resource do scientists feel will be the most depleted? Clean, fresh water. Okay. All right. What have been the trends of temperatures in the 21st century? Well, the trends of temperatures there's been a steady rise of the average mean temperature in the world. Okay. The trend has been there's an average rise of temperature in the world. Okay. You've gotta, climate and weather are different things. Weather is like, what's it like outside right now? So you might look outside the window and be like, hey, it's kind of chilly outside. Well, climate is the overall average of everything. Okay. And overall, the temperature has risen worldwide. Okay. So you still have cold days, but overall the temperature is rising worldwide. Okay. What is global warming? Okay. I'm gonna come up with it, make sure. It's the long-term rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate. It is the long-term rise of the average temperature in the Earth's climate. It is the long-term rise, average temperature in Earth's climate. Okay. What is the effect of global warming on the environment? Well, temperatures are rising, water level is rising. Because the water is warmer, that leads to more active storms and more destructive storms. Okay, so we're getting more destructive winter storms and more destructive summer storms, hurricanes, tornadoes. Okay, because the earth is warmer, that's given more moisture to these weather masses, which is making them more powerful and is causing more damage. Okay, all right, that is the end of the second part of the video. See you later.